Today we'd like to welcome guest chef Valerie. She lives in the beautiful village of Trevino in the Basilicata region of southern Italy. Today Chef Valerie is going to share with us her recipe to make homemade cavatelli pasta. Let's get started. The ingredients you will need: 1½ cups of semolina flour. It's a twice ground hard durum wheat flour. Warm water, about 1/3 cup, olive oil, and a pinch of salt. The measurements are approximate. It's all by eye there. Chef Valerie then puts the flour on the board, stirs in a pinch of salt, then makes a well in the middle. Adds a drizzle of olive oil. She adds warm water to the well and then slowly dusts in the flour from the top. Then she mixes it to make a dough that isn't too dry or too wet. Add water or flour if needed. Then she kneads the dough for several minutes on the floured board. Chef Valerie says, don't massage it. Take out your frustrations on it. Then let it rest for about 15 minutes. Now that the dough has rested from your beating, use a knife and divide the ball into quarters. Then quarter each of those. On the board, roll out each piece of dough into a rope and set it aside until all the ropes are made. Then cut the ropes into a length of 3 fingers, or 2, your choice. Chef Valerie does a 3-finger cavatelli. Now place your fingers on the back edge of each piece and press down while dragging it towards you. You'll get the hang of it quickly. Most people use a machine, but handmade is a way to go. Chef Valerie does 2 at a time. This isn't her first time making cavatelli. While they are drying, this is a perfect time to start the sauce. The ingredients you will need are parsley, tomato sauce, a medium onion, garlic, and a dried red pepper. Chef Valerie chops onions, chops the parsley, chops a clove of garlic, and crushes a half a dried red pepper. She then sautés the onion and garlic in olive oil. She then adds a half a cup of wine. Now she adds the tomato sauce. Chef Valerie's very lucky. She gets jarred tomatoes and sauce from her neighbors, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Don't forget to season, a little salt and pepper, and a few chili flakes. Next, heat a pot of water. With fresh pasta, you'll need more space than dry pasta, so choose a bigger pot. Add salt, then drop in the quantity of cavatelli you want to cook. The rest could go into the freezer. Cook a few minutes until al dente. Drain and add the sauce, and buon appetito. Pour a glass of wine. Chef Valerie recommends the region's hearty Aglianico del Vutore. Chef Valerie says, eat and drink to good health. A salute. We would like to thank Chef Valerie for sharing her recipe with us. You can reach Valerie at www.mybellabasilicata.com. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.